Hello everyone, this is Anal Baluraya from Canara Engineering College. So in today's topic we'll learn about the binary search trees. Okay, so we'll just introduce the concept of the binary search trees, and we will also discuss the C functions associated with creation of binary search trees, and we'll also solve a small problem which will tell us the concept of the binary search trees in this video. Okay, so what is a binary search tree? So we have already studied what is a binary tree. We have already studied in our previous set of videos about the binary tree. Now what is a binary difference between a binary tree and a binary search tree? So in a binary tree, in a binary tree Okay, in a binary tree, only one condition was that if to a root, it should have either the left subtree or the right subtree, or both, or none. So this was the condition. So here we have an additional condition in the binary search tree, which tells us that the elements on the left side should be smaller than the root. Elements on the left hand side of the root should be smaller than the root, and elements on the right side should be greater than that of the root. Okay, so that is what the binary search tree tells. So binary search tree put an additional condition over the binary tree. Okay, in a binary tree, no condition no condition okay, no condition. In binary tree there is a no condition that no condition that elements of the left subtree subtree must be smaller than right subtree. Okay, but here in binary search tree, so what does it say? It is a binary tree, so binary search tree or BST. Okay, BST or binary search tree. What does it say? It is a binary tree in which each node say x in the tree, such that elements in the left subtree are less than info of x, and elements in the right subtree are more than info of x. So if you take 100 as info of x, if this is info of x, then the left is lesser than info of x. So the left is lesser than info of x, and right is greater than info of x. So that is why we can see here 50 is lesser than 100, and 200 is greater than 100, and 200 is on the right side and 50 is on the left side, and same happens everywhere. Okay, and same happens everywhere. So 25 is lesser than 50. Okay, and 60 is greater than 50. Okay, so that is how it goes. Here is 55 is lesser than 60, and 90 is lesser than 90 is greater than 60. 0 is lesser than 25, and 30 is greater than 25. Even 110 is less than 200, and 220 is greater than 200. So everywhere that conditions apply. Even 120 is greater than 110, so it is to the right. All the greater element than info of x comes to the right, and uh, lesser element of info of x comes to the left. Similarly, one more example. This is example 2, which also see all the right hand side elements are greater than info of x. Okay, greater than info of x. Okay, right is greater than info of x. So here this is the example 3. Example 3, what does example 3 says? Left is less than info of x, That is why 10 10 5 4 3 are on the left. Okay, as we are proceeding in the tree, it is becoming less, elements are getting less. Yes. So how do you structure and creation? So of course, to create a you have to basically create a node. Okay, you have to create a node. So as we can see here, how do you create a node? So node in a tree, so it has have a data field, so which is of integer, or it can be integer or character, anything integer or character or any other type. Then it has a left pointer and the right pointer of type node. So struct node left and right. Okay, and struct node star root is equal to null initially. Okay, so how do we create, say if I want to enter the data, so my data is nothing but 6. How do I enter? So initially, if we don't have anything in the node, that is equal, if star node is equal to null, so I'm comparing here. That means what? That means I create a new node. So how do I create? Using the malloc command. Malloc will allocate the memory for the new node. Okay, then I store my data, which is nothing but 6. Then I make the left and right pointer as null. Okay, so that is the general understanding. Okay, so this is what the left link, left pointer, you can tell. Okay, because it stores the address, no. Right pointer. Okay, so this is a C code for the creation of binary search tree. This is the C code for the binary creation of the binary search tree. So we can see here. Struct node star create. Okay, so creation function. We can give our own name here. So here we give the data. So if 6 is the data which is to be passed. Okay, 6 is the data which is to be passed. So I create a new node. Okay, so the name of the new node is new node. Okay, so which whatever was shown in the last example. Okay, so that is the name is new node, and it will create a memory. Okay, that is for the data field and for the left and right pointer. Okay, data field and left link and right link. Okay, so who will create this? It will be created by the malloc. So malloc new node is equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. So here what happens? Memory allocation happens. Here memory allocation for new node happens. Okay, new node happens. Yes, next, what do? I do the new node of data as data. Okay, so I get the data. So say if the 6 is the data, then 6 will be the data. Then I initialize the new nodes left and right to null. So that means what? It will be initialized to left and right link will be initialized to null. Okay, so that is what it is doing. Then I'll return the new node. So this is the general idea of the creation of the node in a tree. Okay, so how do you insert a data? Okay, how do you insert a data? What conditions you need to see while you are inserting a data into the binary search tree? Say the data is 9. Okay, so say the data is 9. Say if there is no node, that is your first condition. If there is no node, so if star node is equal to null, if there is no node, then you need to call the create function, which will create a node for you. And if say data that is 9, which is less than the current data in the node, okay, that is star node of data. Okay, so that time, in that case, okay, say you have 10 example. Okay, node in the node you have 10. Then say if 9 is less than 10, then of course what you're supposed to do, that is star node of data is here nothing but 10, of course, that which is under consideration. So if that data is less than star node of data, then insert to its left. Okay, so this particular node will be attached to its left. Okay, so that is how it works. And if data is greater than star node of data, say if the data is 11, then where it will come? Insert to the right of the node. Okay, If data is equal to, that is if data is same, then what you are supposed to do, if the data is same, both the data is same, then you need to put it if you need to if the data is same as the data in your node, then what you are supposed to do is nothing but you have to check whether if its left is null or not. If its left is null, then you need to insert that element to the null left. Okay, otherwise you need to insert it to right. See, for example, you have 10 here, you have 10 here. Okay, so again you want to insert 10. Where you will insert, again you want to insert 10. So you will check the left and right node, say this is null now. So if this is null, say this is null, so what you're supposed to you will do, you will store the 10 here. Okay, what if you have a what if say you have yeah one say what is if you have already you have a number here, then you have to store it into the right. If you have something there, you have to store it to the right. Okay, see, for example, say I have 9 here. Say for example, I have 9 here. Okay, and 10 comes, so where you will store, you will store to the right. Okay, or no, see, for example, if something is there to the left, then you are supposed to store it to the left, otherwise you are supposed to store it to the right. Okay, so in this case, where it will be stored, it will be stored to the right. 10 will be stored to the right. Okay, yes, so that is what it is telling. So we need to work it according to the algorithm. We need to work it according to the algorithm. Okay, yes, next. So this is the C code for the creation, the C code for the insertion into the binary search tree. Okay, so how do you insert? So if star node is equal to null, okay, if node is equal to null, then you have to create a data. Once again, else if this condition is not true, current condition is not true, then check if data is less than star node of data. If data which is coming inside, that is less than star node of data, then you have to insert it, then you have to call the insertion function. Okay, and you need to go to the left. Okay, if the data is greater than the star node of data, then you have to go to the right. Okay, and if it's equal, then you have to check whether the node's left is null. If it is null, then you need to put it into the left, that is you have to insert the data into the left, otherwise you need to insert the data into the right. Okay, yes, so we have a problem here. So how do we save, or how do we store the numbers? So I get 6 in the beginning here, I get 6 in the beginning, so that is a root. Okay, that is a root. Then 9 I check. Okay, 9 is greater than 6, so it comes to the right. Okay, it comes to the right. 10 is nothing but 5, so 5 is lesser than 6, so I put it into the left. Next is nothing but 2, so 2 is lesser than 5, so I put it to the left of 5. Okay, then 8 comes here, 8, so 8 is lesser than 9, so I put it here. Next is 15, so 15 is greater than 9, I put it to the right of 9. Next is 24, 24 is greater than 15, I put it to the right of the 15. Next is 7, 7 is lesser than 8. Okay, so I put it to the left of 8. Okay, yes, 8. Okay, so 8 is already present. Okay, I already present, so I check whether there if left is empty or not. So here the left is not empty, I have 7 in the left, so I put the 8 to the right. Okay, so this is what I was telling, that last condition. Okay, last condition. Okay, that last condition we can understand here. Next is 5, so 5 is once again it's a repeating element, so 5 I am putting to I will check first what is there in the left of 5. So left of 5 I have a number, so I put the 5 to the right. Next is nothing but 2. Okay, 2 is also repeating. Okay, so uh, I see already a 2 is there, so left of 2 is not empty now. Okay, left of 2 is empty, I put it to the left. Okay, so this is how you solve the problems on binary search tree. Okay, always remember that any info of x, the data which is left to the info of x should be smaller than or equal to its equal to info of x. Okay, yes, and the events to the right should be greater than the info of x. And when it will be equal to info of x, only when only when you have something to the left, some small number to the left. Okay, of that small number to the left. So small number than what? Smaller than number than info of x. Only in such conditions you put the same number into the right. Okay, so these are the problems on binary search tree. So that's all we have from this slide. Thank you.